Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to update your personal information on Experian. So if you're wondering how to update your personal information on Experian, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how that's done. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Experian account. Now you can log into your Experian account online on the website, or you can do that through the mobile app if you have it on your phone already. If you don't, you can just get it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now once you're done with that, you just want to click on personal information, and there you're going to be able to access your information details, and you can update your information from there. So just go ahead and update your personal information, whatever it is you want to change. It could be your address or phone number or your email address, whatever it is. Just go ahead and update that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your personal information on Experian. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.